Best video surveillance for Linux in 2024. Major operating systems such as Linux and Windows are widely used in the CCTV installations. But there are multiple reasons why Linux OS is more popular these days. Let's review the reasons why. Linux OS and its utilities don't require licensing, it is free of charge. Linux has a great number of open source and free utilities and tools to work with. Linux OS is optimized to consume fewer resources, hence providing better performance. It has various graphical shells available. Linux operating system is an open source package that can be modified and redistributed completely free of charge. This operating system has a great level of protection against malware and viruses. Linux OS doesn't have hard-coded updates that leave you no other choice rather than to install them. It's up to you whether to update your OS or not. The most popular Linux installation packages are Debian, Ubuntu, CentOS, Mint, OpenSUSE, and Red Hat Enterprise. Each one is supported by Xeoma, so you can choose any Linux distro that you like. Video surveillance of the new generation. Xeoma video surveillance software has 100+ video analytics and contains a wide range of features based on artificial intelligence and deep machine learning. Xeoma works on all popular operating systems and even supports ARM-based devices, where you can install the Linux ARM Xeoma version. Xeoma is not limited to video surveillance only, it's also capable to fulfill other tasks such as gathering marketing information, gender, age and emotions of the customers, smart home integration, automatic gate opening, switching on/off the illumination, baby monitor, and many other things. Everything Linux. Run your Xeoma with or without a graphics shell using a terminal with a wide array of console commands. You can run Xeoma in various modes, including multi-server, to unite several sites and review their cameras all at once. You can easily manage your Xeoma licenses between multiple servers, e.g. by using a portable USB key with Xeoma license. Or you can use a standalone license server to activate your CCTV system if your site doesn't have internet access. You can also use Xeoma in a container or on a virtual machine. You can create your perfect and sophisticated video surveillance system with Xeoma's unlimited possibilities. Save money by Raspberry. Not only it is small and portable, but it is also a budget-friendly alternative to the general servers. Yes, we're talking about micro PCs, also known as single-board computers such as Raspberry Pi, Banana Pi, Orange Pi, Odroid, and other ARM-based devices. These small boxes can handle a bunch of cameras and serve as portable servers if you need to mount them in a difficult place, for example, a pole or a gate barrier. Another great feature of Xeoma is its capability to adjust to any camera-related project because Xeoma supports 99% of all camera models, types, and brands. Profitable prices. Choose Xeoma license for any budget. Buy now. Let's partner up. Profitable partnership conditions for CCTV installation companies, distributors, and resellers. Contact us to get your discount.